Erica, can I give you a gift? Thank you, Erica. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today is December 26th. Merry Christmas. And Christmas has just passed. So we are gonna go wish everyone a wonderful Christmas. Now there's one thing that you cannot have too much of, and that is love. Usually, you cannot have enough love. And today we are spreading love, the Christmas love, the Christmas joy in Philippines, Manila, New Valley. Here we go. Ate, Merry Christmas daw. Say Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. High five daw. Say cheese. Merry Christmas pa. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. So sweet. Ate, oh, hello. Merry Christmas. Say cheese. Say Merry Christmas pwede.
Merry Christmas.
Yay, bye. Ate, Merry Christmas po. Say cheese. No, tell them Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Oy, musta? Hello. Merry Christmas po. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Ikaw, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Oy, Merry Christmas. Have a great day. Ingat. Alright, right now we're in Starbucks and we're gonna give some people some gifts. Hello po. I have a gift for you.
안녕하세요.
Wait. 안녕하세요. I'm not Korean. I have a gift for you. Anong pangalan mo?
My name is Harold.
Carol, I got you gift. Are you ready?
Yes, yes. Oh my god, you're so sweet.
Oy! Oy, that's your girlfriend, right?
Yeah, that's my
Oy, don't. Later. Okay. Thank you. Merry Christmas po. Okay, we're giving hearts away. Anong pangalan mo? Rachel, I got you a gift. I just gonna give it to you. Wait lang. Oh. Single ka ba? Single ka? Me too. It's fine. It's fine. Kuya, Merry Christmas. Woo! Merry Christmas. Woo! Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Go! Oy! Pilipina. Merry Christmas, ate. Woo! What? Happy Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Happy birthday! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! High five, everyone! Alright, that's 1 minute. I'll see you guys on the video. Say that's 1 minute. Okay. Alright guys, so that's it for our video. Hope you enjoyed our video for spreading Christmas love. Just remember, there's never enough love in the world. Diba?
Diba, Papa?
Diba, Papa? I'll see you guys later. I'll see you guys in the next video. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, though. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. High five. Woo! Merry Christmas. And I'll see you guys next video. Let's go. Merry Christmas, pa. Yeah, my man. My man. Uy. Uy. Merry Christmas. Oh, couple shirt. I love it. Inget talaga. Merry Christmas. Yes, my kuya. Uy.